Dang, guys, we only have a couple of meetings left now.
Yep.
And I know
Sweet.
you'll be so sad.
How you guys all right? You guys aren't too bad.
I've dealt with worse people in my life.
I've had many worse groups in school, so this one's all right.
Okay. All right. Let's start out with question 3. Is everyone up and ready?
Yep.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Okay. So. You ready now?
Go for it.
I'll go ahead and read it. The given linear regression equation, y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x. What is the y-intercept? 2.
Wouldn't that be 2.0?
2.0.
Yep.
I can read number 4. Given
Go
the linear regression equation y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the slope? 1.5. That's what I got.
That's it. Question 5. Given the linear regression equation y equals -3 plus 0.25x, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 16?
I got
I got
1.
1.
That's where I'm at.
That's a do it in your head one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Next
Number 6.
7 questions. Gotta have the math self-efficacy.
I need to go put this into my my spreadsheet.
I have the wrong spreadsheet pulled up.
That's why we can't have nice things.
I know, you're not the only person to tell me that.
Okay, now I have a question here on this one because it's not asking. It's just saying make a scatter plot for the math self-efficacy. Okay, well, are we running on a probability on this one?
We're going to put it into our. Well, I mean, I think it's going to take us through step by step on the linear regression spreadsheet.
And then it comes up with the scatter plot. That's what I do.
Well, I understand that, but usually you say compared to, like it would be confidence compared to score.
Gotcha.
Oh, I guess it does that. I guess it does. It does say confidence data for the explanatory. Never mind. It does show that. Never mind. I didn't read enough.
Oh, you know what? Confidence is explanatory, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's going to be backwards of what it is on the sheet.
Yep, I messed that up at first.
Yeah, because it'll totally change your scatter plot.
Yep. There you go. That looks a lot better. I'll start. I know. All right. I got mine as kind of. It's not a great. It's kind of hot dog, kind of banana. I don't know. What would you call that?
I'm going to go with banana.
Oops.
Yeah, mine's not a solid scatter plot, so it's not. It looks more banana than hot dog, though.
Yeah, that's what mine looks
Well,
like.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
oh, banana. Banana Fofana.
Yep. All right. Numero siete. Based on the shape of the scatter plot, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these data? Based off of that. I mean, it looks like it follows a relatively normal pattern. So I would say it is appropriate, but
I don't know,
Well,
I'm looking at the window.
if it's banana shaped, you can't apply linear regression. You know,
yeah.
my scatter plot looks like a hot dog.
Yeah,
You
I'm
know,
looking at the
it's-
textbook right now, and I'm feeling more. It's closer to a hot dog than banana.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. I should look at my textbook, huh?
I mean, banana's implying a more exponential growth the further it gets.
right. Well, and if you apply a trend line on the scatter plot,
Hmm.
it kind of does go right through the middle of it. You know, there's a little bit down there around 4 and 5 on the x-axis that is a little low, but for the most part, it goes almost, the trend line goes almost straight through it.
All right. So for number 7, then, are we saying that since it's hot dog, it is appropriate?
Yes, yeah, the first one.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. And then going down to number 8, how many observations are in the data? 138.
I had 139.
Hmm.
I did 142, which is my final ending point,
Yeah.
minus 4, which is the starting point.
Mine was 3. Hold on. I started at 4.
Now it says it's 139. You're right.
Okay.
All right.
All right. What's the y-intercept? The 18.690.
0, yes.
There you are.
And this, what is the slope? 12.695.
That's what I'm at.
Oops.
There we are. I keep finding them right after you say it.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Your slope. Okay, hold on. What did you guys get on your slope?
12.695.
There's something going on with my data then.
Did you put the right
This is
stuff
an
where it
HRV.
needs to go?
Yeah, because my slope on my software is showing 12.725.
I think you need to put your computer in the microwave, sort it out.
What's your R value?
0.728.
That's what I got also for R value.
Yes, I have 729.
Shoot. So what are you using? Are you using Excel?
I'm using the Excel sheet.
Do you have every bit of your data all the way down to?
Yeah, I go from
142 at the bottom?
number 4 through 142. 3.77 and 70 is the last. Because I have because the confidence rating is the first column, which is the decimal place numbers, and then the response variable is their actual score.
Yeah.
Yes.
We've got
Yes.
4.34 and 50 is
What's
the very
your,
first one.
I mean, this wouldn't change your confidence level or anything, I imagine. So, I don't know.
Confidence interval is 91.196.
Did you use the corrected data form? There's 2 forms.
Is there?
Yes.
Did you download the one from the quiz?
No, I didn't. That's probably why. What is this one called again?
Oh, I'm trying to find it.
I just downloaded from the top of the quiz. It's the math self-efficacy Excel sheet.
And it says corrected on it?
No, that's the other one. Sorry. It's math self. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I use.
ISX.
Interesting.
What's your y-intercept?
Y-intercept is 18.559.
No.
We're at 18.690.
We're not off by that
No.
much.
It's enough that like one or two numbers in the data can
Can you put some more pen and paper on
throw it off that much.
Well, let me, I'm going to bring up this. I'm bringing up the other one right now.
Use that one because maybe they changed things. I don't know.
Let me recopy this stuff. Score.
All right.
Confidence rating. Oh, I'm going as fast as I can.
No, I know. Sorry, I was looking at
Okay. No, it's,
the other thing. Sorry about that.
no, it's fine. That changed it. So there must have been just a little discrepancy
Yeah.
between the two files. You know, because I have everything downloaded from the thing. Now I have 18.69 and 7.28.
Okay.
Cool.
So now hold on. Let me relook at that. Yeah, it did change the scatter plot a little bit too.
Great, you're the one that
Okay.
agreed with me with being a hot dog. So
It's
you
still a hot
think-
dog. I still see it.
Okay.
I still think it's a hot dog, but it did
All
change
right.
it a little bit. Okay, so now we're back to what was that? 18.69.
18.69, and the slope is 12.695.
Okay.
So for 11, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 4? I got 69.649.
I got
No, I got
0.469. Did you transpose your 4 and your 6?
I very well could have. Let me check.
69.47.
I got 469. It's
How did that happen?
I got 469.
So are you showing enough decimals in your spreadsheet?
Well, when I do this formula, don't you do it on your calculator?
You do not. You just plug in 4 underneath
Okay.
the X on your spreadsheet.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Like part of the lesson somewhere, it was talking about how
Yes,
Yeah,
I
it
got
would
that
be
messed up.
it'll be a little bit different depending on whether you do it in the spreadsheet or whether you do it on your calculator.
And
Okay, give me a
right, and they
second.
had you do both of them because the spreadsheet it's like it's really small, but it's really close. You know,
Okay. So where do we put this 4x?
so there's a little.
You just
blue
put the
box.
4 versus
Instead of 6 down there, I put 4, right?
In that blue box.
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
I put
Only
4.
ever inside the Excel spreadsheets, make sure to only change stuff that's inside like blue
I
boxes.
blew. I got it. So I got
So
a 4.
69.469.
And where is that?
where it says predicted, just to the right of the
Yes.
X.
94. I got it. Sorry. I'm on it.
You're good.
No, I had a problem with the homework on that, and I was gonna say, how do you do that? Now I know.
Oh, awesome.
I'm going, I was blowing it all the way. I wasn't getting it right. Okay, hold on. All right, with the 4 there, it's 94 point, right?
No,
it's
69.
69.469.
Then how come it says 94?
That's
I'm
what it is for 6.
I know.
Did you hit 4 and then press enter?
I probably didn't press enter. Hold on. It's still goofed up. Yes, here we go.
It was thinking.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. So are we good on 11 and 12?
Well, 12 is going to be the 94.859.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, cool.
Okay, here we go.
All right. So
Well,
question,
now question. So go ahead.
I was just
Go ahead,
read question 13. How many explanatory or independent variables are present in simple linear regression?
I think this is a trick question because it does talk in the textbook about there can be other variables.
I mean, in simple linear regression, isn't there just one independent, one dependent?
Yeah, I guess there is, isn't there? That's right. The dependent would be more than two. Could be more than two.
But in the simple
they
one,
had
I
the
believe
formula.
it's just one for both.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Because I know there are more than one. There is more than one possibility, but in the most simple linear regression, there is just one.
Yeah, so I talked about that in multiple regression.
Okay. I'm not there yet, guys. I mean, as far as the multiple, I'm working on this stuff.
All right, guys, ready for question 15?
Yes.
All right, a company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all their hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat sizes, circumference of the hat, and lengths of the major and minor axes. Meanwhile, the company wants to predict size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable?
When the response is the size, because the one that they're measuring, or the what's it called, the explanatory variable, is the circumference, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, because they're wanting to predict the size of the hat given the circumference.
Right. So it'd be the first or the third one? The wording's throwing me off.
It would be the first, because we're not predicting the circumference, which is the third
Right.
one. And so we're predicting
Okay.
the size of the hat.
So
Okay.
it'd be
So it's the first one?
Yep. That's
Yes.
what I have.
Yeah.
just
All right, who wants to submit it to make sure that we're all good?
go ahead and do it. Oh, we bombed it, man. We missed
Yeah?
like 6. I'm just kidding.
That's not good.
Ha ha ha!
Oh,
Just
man.
kidding. We got 100%.
Oh, you're a real joker. That was real funny.
I saw you sweating, Jared, even though I can't see you.
All right. Before we go, Sean, how's everything this week with the describe the data worksheet for us? Would we
Well,
need to
I got
go over that?
I got it. I did get the email link. Thank you, Susan. And I put my data on there. So I've got everybody's data, and the instructions are pretty straightforward. I just have to write a paragraph or two describing the data and plot it, etc.
Okay.
It's pretty straightforward. So
Cool.
we're just doing a simple random sample there that's been systematic. So
Well, that sounds good to me.
I'll have
Well,
it
you guys,
turned in by the end of the week. So
Do
You
you
two
need
can do
any
it.
help? Or are you guys good?
I'm good.
Okay.
I think most of the help's going to need to be is when we all need to kind of collaborate a little bit on the PowerPoint at the end.
Right.
So what I'll do is I'll create the PowerPoint, and then before I submit it, I'll send it out to everybody so you can eyeball it a day or two in advance, and then let me know if there's any changes that need to be done.
And if you want to, you can make a PowerPoint thing in Google Docs and have that so we can all participate in it there if you'd like.
Right.
I've done that, but then sometimes putting it in, the formatting gets weird and messed up. So I was planning on just sending out the email and
Okay,
doing the mass email that way, if that's okay.
that's cool. So I just double check.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, thanks. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Well, that sounds like everything, team.
Yeah,
right.
that's a nice quick meeting. I love these kind of quizzes.
They're pretty good. They're not these hour and 20-minute ones.
Yeah. So are we going to get any input from our TA tonight?
I was gonna say you guys actually did fairly well when it comes to working through it. But if you guys have any other questions on your presentation or anything, feel free to email me and I will get back to you guys.
Okay.
Okay, awesome. We appreciate it.
No problem.
Okay, guys, I got to take my daughter to class, so I got to hang up.
All right, well, you guys have a good weekend. I'll see you guys Monday.
Yep. No, I won't be there next Thursday, but I'm going to meet with Nan.
Okay.
All right.
So Monday will be the last time. I have to be somewhere Thursday evening, so I'm going to meet with Nan earlier.
Okay.
All right.
Talk to you later, guys.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah.
Bye.